Hey, I'll bet you $10 the steps of that train don't stop no more than 1 foot from that line.
Would you try to show a little respect?
$5.
Will you cut it out, Tom? We're here for a funeral.
Which way's town?
Just follow the road. You can't miss it. You know him? No. But I know that type. I don't like it.
Yeah. Well, what do you suppose he's doing here?
You'll probably find out soon enough.
Excuse me. Isn't there anybody else getting off here?
No, sir.
Well, I guess he ain't coming. Might as well go on with the funeral and get it over with.
Oh, that's a good way of putting it.
And you two guys could have won yourselves $5 apiece.
Did anybody else get off that train? Beside yourself?
Nope.
You know a man named John Elder?
I know of him.
Would you be afraid of him?
No, but you must be. That's usually why people hire me, because they're worried about somebody or scared.
Don't go jumping any conclusions.
I didn't know that John Elder was even in these parts.
Well, he probably isn't. So maybe all you'll have to do, you earn your money, is just to hang around for a while and then, go back on another train.
Look, I don't care what I have to do as long as I get paid.
You'll get paid. Go ahead. Stow your gear in the house.
What are you hiring a gunman for, Paul?
You're too young to remember John Elder, aren't you, Dave?
What do the elders have to do with us?
No, not the elders. Just John.
Well, what does he have to do with us?
When he left here, you see, this ranch belonged to his family.
But this is our land. I mean, we own this, don't we?
Of course it is, son. Sure it is. It's just that he might want to figure it differently. We need this land. We're gonna keep it.
That's a peculiar way to dress for a funeral, isn't it?
Could turn out to be a lot more than a funeral.
I don't get your point, seeing as how John Elder didn't get off the train.
Well, that still doesn't mean he won't show up.
No, but even so, a man isn't likely to shoot up his own mother's funeral, at least not without pretty good reason.
He just might think he's got a good reason. Besides, there's that other one, the one that got off the train.
Ben, John Elder isn't wanted for anything around here. Remember that.
He's a gunfighter. That puts him on one side and me on the other. And it was you who told me that in the first place.
Almighty God, we commend the soul of our dear and pretty sister, departed Katie Elder, to your care. As we commit her body to the ground beside her loved husband, Katie Elder, a woman beloved of all, a hard-working, honest woman. She helped in your work, O Lord, in 1,000 ways. She was a friend to all, a comforter to the sick. She has left this world a little better for having lived in it. Those who knew her and loved her are better for having lived in the warmth of her understanding. Katie Elder lived here in Clearwater for many years. All of us gathered here today knew her well. She raised 4 sons, John, Tom, Matt, and Bud, the youngest. She was a woman who wanted nothing for herself, wanted only to give rather than to receive. She devoted her life to helping her family